If we take a look at what previous tops have looked like, massive parabolic run up, huge long wicks to the upside on larger time frames like the monthly, breakdown of the parabola, recovery, dead cat bounce, it fails, death and sideways for years. Parabolic run up, huge long wicks to the upside on a large time frame, breakdown from the parabola, fake out, recovery rally, dead cat bounce, breaks down further, death and sideways for years. And what are we seeing now? A very similar situation, not the exact same thing. Again, when markets get spooked, when there's war is inflationary, people tend to run to safe haven assets. So there's a decent case to be made that there's further room to run up with gold, silver, copper, some of those other things. But I would want to point out that the charts look very risky, very iffy. This is a period of great uncertainty, great risk. I don't know how others feel hugely confident in one direction or the other. There's kind of fundamental reasons why it might continue a little bit more. There's chart reasons why it's looking very shaky. Who knows what's going to happen in the short term? I mean, look, if you look at silver, IMB Roots, Crypto, Pulsion KOL pointed out kind of a reverse head and shoulders here with silver. We attempted breakout. It looks like it's failing. So commodities aren't reacting too well to this news of war. But I wanted to also take a look here at MAG. So MAGs represents the Magnificent Seven, essentially the top tech stocks, right? Tesla, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, uh, Google, that kind of thing, right? So this kind of represents American stock market, at least tech stocks, right? They've taken a hit the last few days. We're looking at a daily. So if we take a look at the last 2 or 3 days, we are down. The stock market's taking a hit. Tech stocks are taking a hit. They seem to be recovering a little bit right now. So who knows if the market's pricing in a lot of this stuff. But if we continue to not see any de-escalation, in fact, all we're seeing is further escalation, then markets will continue to take a hit.